Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to delete fingerprint lock data on iqoo mobile. Friends, you have fingerprint lock, so how to delete fingerprint lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile. Friends, click on iqoo mobile password security setting, and friends you can check your screen lock. First of all friends, you want to change your screen lock password. Friends, you want to remove your screen lock password, so when you can remove, guys click here, and guys your fingerprint lock will delete and your screen lock will delete. So friends, we will not delete, we will change password. So guys I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next friends, don't do any mistake, be careful. So guys your lock screen password will change. So friends, click on fingerprint lock, and friends enter your device pin, and you have friends pattern lock. So draw your pattern. After enter password friends, you can see delete fingerprint. Click here. You want to delete this fingerprint. Are you sure? Yes. And friends, you want to add any fingerprint, so you can add fingerprint from here. And friends, you want to rename your fingerprint lock, so you can rename your fingerprint lock. Enter your name. You want to set your name, so click here, fingerprint lock will rename. So friends, delete your fingerprint lock. After delete friends, you cannot use fingerprint lock on your iPhone device, and once you can see the fingerprint lock will delete. Friends, we will have to enter password, and we can unlock our iQOO mobile. Friends, again you want to use fingerprint, you will have to enter password. You can set same setting up with face lock. Enter your password and you can start face lock on your device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to delete fingerprint lock on iQOO mobile. So bye friends.